In this video, I'm going to show you how to get coupons for Pampers. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my device, open up Google, and now I'm going to type in coupons for Pampers. And now you'll be brought to a whole list of results here. So if I scroll down, I've got coupon follow, Groupon, coupon cabin, etc. So you can click on any one of those third-party sites to get coupons or discounts. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on a coupon follow website. And now, as you can see, I've got all these discounts here. So I can get 15% off, earn 10 points, etc, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on get 15% discount on coupon code. And now from here, here's the coupon code here. So I'm going to click on copy. And now I want to paste that code at the checkout section of pampers.com to activate that offer.